The new function generator module expands the Magnova oscilloscope with versatile signal generation capabilities. It can produce signals from 1 microhertz up to 90 megahertz with up to 400 megasamples per second, 14-bit resolution, and amplitudes of up to 20 volts peak to peak. In addition to standard waveforms, it supports custom arbitrary signals, modulation, sweeps, bursts, and noise overlay for more advanced testing. Installation is straightforward. The module can be mounted on the back of the oscilloscope at any time. The Bode plot feature offers flexible measurement options, linear or logarithmic frequency and amplitude axes, customizable amplitude profiles, fast or low noise strategies, cursors, tables, and more are all available. Up to 3 Bode plot channels can be used, and the freeze options make it easy to compare multiple measurement runs. With the function generator module, the Magnova oscilloscope provides a comprehensive and flexible solution for signal analysis across a wide range of applications.